A PCP file is a Microsoft Program database patch used to customize Windows installer packages and resolve application compatibility issues. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you apply or troubleshoot these installer patch files. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium PCP file inspection utility designed for broad spectrum file support. PCP files are Windows installer patch creation files used by Microsoft's PatchWiz tool to generate MSP patch packages. They contain transform definitions, file version comparisons, and installation modifications for creating software update patches for MSI-based applications. PCP files use the Windows installer database format MSI structure containing tables that define patch target products, file update mappings, upgrade paths, and custom action sequences. They are processed by the msimsp.exe patch creation tool to generate final MSP patches. Windows registers the PCP file as an opener for Microsoft Visual Studio developed by Microsoft Corporation. Windows requires elevated permissions for the file, which dedicated software manages automatically. Windows supports viewing, but execution must occur through an appropriate script processor. Your first step towards successfully opening the file. Right-click the PCP file and select Open With. If Microsoft Visual Studio is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. A test is required. If the PCP file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Now it boils down to just 3 possibilities. We prepared a simple list detailing these common culprits and the steps to verify them. First, applying patches. PCP files are not applied directly to systems. They are used to create MSP patch files. If you received a PCP file, you likely need the generated MSP patch instead. Contact the software vendor for the final MSP patch file for installation on your system. Next, creating patches. Open the PCP file in Orca the Windows installer database, editor from the Windows SDK. Review the patch configuration tables, then use the command line tool msimsp.exe with the PCP file as input to generate the final MSP patch package for distribution. Finally, troubleshooting patch creation. If msimsp.exe fails to generate a patch from the PCP file, verify that both the original and updated MSI files referenced in the PCP are accessible. Check the PatchWiz log file for detailed error messages about mismatched product codes or missing file references. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.